Rueben Taylor from Biznostics here. Would you like to make better financial decisions for your business? You see, many small business owners are often making their financial decisions based on what's in their bank account or what's not in their bank account, or it's based on how they're feeling. And this can be a recipe for disaster. See, successful business owners know the numbers game. They know the numbers of their business. They know how to understand some of their financials. So what are 3 steps that you can take to become better at understanding financials in your business and making great financial decisions? Well, the first one is to make sure you're getting accurate accounts. See, how are you going to make a good decision on bad information? See, by making sure that your accounts are up to date and to make sure that they're accurate is really going to help you make decisions, because it's going to show you what is going on in your business, but also what is going on in your business in a timely fashion. The second thing is to invest some time and money into your financial education. See, by investing time and money, you'll become better at what you do. Just like learning a new language, you've got to learn the language of numbers. You know, things like the difference between cash flow and profit. You know, things like understanding the difference between gross margin and net margin. Understand some of what are the drivers in your business, but taking the time to invest in yourself by doing courses, by reading books, by watching videos, you're starting to learn what do some of those numbers mean. They might be a little bit hard at first, but it's like anything when you learn it new, there's a little bit of getting used to and learning the language, learning the tools, learning the techniques to understand that better. And finally, review your numbers regularly. See, by reviewing your numbers regularly, you'll start to get good at what's happening in the business. You'll have to start to understand trends in the numbers, what's impacting them, what causes a good month, what causes a bad month. Starting to keep an eye on the numbers in your business. And one of the great things we get our customers to do is just to review those numbers versus your targets, but also versus what happened last month and last year. That way you're getting reference points. And again, you start to build up a picture of what's happening in the business. And the more that you know about what's happening in the business, you'll make better financial decisions. You'll make quicker decisions and more solid decisions, and ones that will benefit for you and your business future. So if you need some help in understanding your numbers better and really want to know some of those key drivers and what makes your business tick, then just message us, let us know. I'd love to see how we can help. And be sure to share this with other business owners that you know who could benefit from learning more about their business numbers. I look forward to catching you in another video soon. Bye for now.